Hi guys, welcome to my video today. Today is the 13th day of December, so that means I've been doing a video every day for 13 days. It has been so much fun. 2 days ago, I made some chocolate reindeer with pretzels with the boys, so make sure you check that out. They were so cute and so fun to make, so make sure you check out that video. But in today's video, I'm going to be making up some breakfast for the week. I'm going to make my favorite ham and egg cups. They freeze really well, make a really big batch. So I'm gonna get these all made up so that we can have a nice healthy breakfast ready to go for each day this week. This time of year, there's definitely a lot of overindulging, so I wanna make sure we start the day off right with a really awesome breakfast. And this one is my favorite, so let me get it all made up for you.
So I have my ham. This is a thick cut ham, chopped spinach, eggs, shredded cheddar cheese, and milk. So I'm going to dice up this ham, and I'm going to make about a half a cup of diced up ham. So this is my favorite, the thick, kind of a thick cut ham. You can use any kind you'd like, and you also use like sausage or bacon in these. Definitely customizable with all of your favorite ingredients. So I have 10 eggs. I'm just going to whisk the eggs. I'm going to speed it up for you guys, but I'm going to whisk the eggs. I'm going to add in, I have 3/4 of a cup of milk. I have my diced ham. I have my frozen chopped spinach that I have defrosted. And I have half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And like I said, you can customize these to all of your favorite ingredients. So really good with broccoli, really good with zucchini, mushrooms, bell peppers. So definitely tons of ways you can make these. And like I also mentioned, these are really awesome to make a big batch and freeze. They freeze really well, and then you can just take out however many you need and microwave them, and your breakfast is ready to go. So it does not get any easier than that. So I have my favorite silicone little muffin molds. These things are so awesome. It makes cleanup so much easier. And so I'm just putting them on my cookie sheet because it makes more than the little holders in my muffin tin. So I'm adding these on here, and I will fill them with the egg mixture. I have my oven preheating right now to 350 degrees, and I'm going to cook these for about 20 minutes. So breakfast is definitely one of my favorite meals of the day, and I love to have eggs. So definitely having eggs ready to go is a plus for me, so I don't have to worry about what we're going to have for breakfast. So these are so good. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for lots more healthy meal prepping, breakfast and lunch ideas.